Here at AG, our number one priority is for our people to go home safe every day. The Go Home Safe campaign has been so well received by our workforce and has led to increased employee engagement across all our sites. 2 years ago, we recognised that over 60% of our incidents and dangerous occurrences were related to forklift trucks, to mobile plant. And that has led to a lot of investment and focus being placed on improving our pedestrian management, our traffic management, upgrading our forklift fleet with new safety equipment. In the last 18 months as well, the adoption of our Engage app for managing health and safety has been absolutely transformational. It's allowed us to cut out a lot of unnecessary paperwork. It's made the lives of our forklift operators, in fact all our employees, so much easier because the app is so straightforward to use, and it's really taken our management of health and safety to the next level. Again, in recent months, when I visit all our sites, there's new signage, health and safety signage everywhere we go, which is making it so straightforward, so clear to people, to visitors, to our employees, where the hazards are, where we should be walking, where we can keep ourselves safe.
My job is dealing with customers on a daily basis. In the past 6 months since I've started working here, there's definitely been a big step up with how things are being run. There's been a customer area designated for customers, and a lot has been taken out to help the safety of not only me but with the customers. My priority coming to work every day is definitely making sure I'm safe as well as others, so I can go home, see my family and friends, do my sport and hobbies such as football, etc., and seeing friends.
Last October we started with a safety campaign which is still ongoing and will be ongoing for the future. The safety campaign involved making pedestrian walkways, gateways, crossing where the quarry mobile plant. Some of that plant is up to 50 and 60 tonne weight machines. You could have pedestrians stepping out of anywhere previous to this happening, and this is really, I think, a very, very successful task so far. Me and my team's priority every day is to be safe during working hours, get home safe to the loved ones.
My priority is to be safe at work and everybody else to be safe too. A lot better now than it was, a lot safer.
Historically, we would have used paper-based systems that were very reactive. So the implementation of Engage has really helped us focus on safety and ensuring that actions are done in the right time frame. The pedestrian routes that we have developed in 5 Mile Town have helped from the point of view that we know exactly where pedestrians will be at any point in time. Our drivers and visitors to the 5 Mile Town site are told specifically what routes they can take on site as well, which really helps ensure that pedestrians and traffic are clearly kept apart as much as we possibly can. The dedicated customer area that we've recently implemented at our 5 Mile Town site has helped ensure that customers know exactly where they're going. We can safely load and unload product accordingly, and with the implementation of the barriers at our site as well, it has helped ensure that customers come to our dispatch first and foremost and are given the site instructions and rules before they actually go to that dedicated area.